Hello everyone. Today topic is KPI performance indicator. Google Ads KPI performance indicator. So KPI helps us understand how our ads are performing and they show whether our results are good or bad and help us measure our overall performance. Like impression, click, CTR, average CPC, conversion, cost per conversion. Okay, so impression, this is a demo Google Ads account. So impression means how many times your ad was shown on people. For example, if your ad gets 100 impression, it means your ad was shows 100 times to the audience. Then clicks show how many times people clicked on your ad after seeing it. This is a click. For example, 100 people show your ad and like 50 click on it, then you got 50 click. Then CTR means click through rate. CTR shows what percentage of people clicked on your ad after seeing it. For example, if you get 100 impression and 10 click, your CTR is 10%. Okay, so CTR, these metrics are have a different formula. Like CTR formula is click and impression 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 equals CTR. This is a formula. Here is my total click 164. So 1.64 are impression equal, so I just calculate it, 1.640 and 3700. This is my CTR, I mean click through rate, 4.43 4.43%. Okay, then average CPC. Average CPC, average CPC. This is the average amount you spent for each click overall. This is average amount you spent each click overall. This is average CPC, average cost per click. Then here is a more KPI metrics like conversions. So a conversion happens when your ad campaigns, when your campaign goal is complete. For example, a purchase or a sign up or leads from submit or anything as your goal, as your business goal. This is called conversion. Then more option, like conversion rate. This tells you out of 10 people who clicked on your ad, and how many actually converted. How many actually converted? If the conversion rate is like 10%, that's mean 100 people visited your website, and 10 become your fulfill your goal, like customers, purchase or leads. So like 10, like 100 people visited your website, and 10 become your customer. This is conversion, and cost per conversion, and this is cost per conversion. This shows how much money you spend for each conversion. This called cost per conversion. Okay, as a marketer, our goal is simple: get conversion at the lowest possible cost while maintaining quality. So this is a simple matrix, but here is, you can see many metrics are here: action value, conversion value, cost per cost, actual ROAS, impression share. Okay, this is a simple matrix on Google Ads. So it helps, this matrix, I mean this KPI matrix helps our ad good or bad, help us measure our overall performance. Okay, thank you so much everyone.